Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. AVG Antivirus install. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install AVG Antivirus. First thing you need to do, open up your browser, then type AVG Antivirus. After clicking on that, click on the first one right here. Then, I click on free download. Okay, as you can see, to download the file, you just need to follow this instruction. As you can see down there, let's just follow that. There you go. Then there, click on here to download it. Now we just have to wait. There you go, AVG Antivirus free. Now just click on install. So right here, we need to restart our PC so the app will be fully downloaded in our PC. So guys, I'll be back. I'll see you in a few seconds. Bye. And there you go guys, as you can see right now, the AVG Antivirus has now been downloading after I restarted my PC. And there you guys go. And a quick tip for you, can also download the AVG Antivirus in your browser here at Nanite. So when you're gonna use Nanite, it's much more easier and faster and convenient when using your Nanite to download the AVG. So there you go guys. I hope you guys liked the video, hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.